Hello guys, welcome back to another video in our channel. I'm Kalandar and this is Sadhya.
हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे।
So guys, today we are in Bogmalo beach and this is the closest beach to the Goa airport. So it is just 6 kilometers from the Goa airport and just a 10 minutes drive.
और पेंजिम से इट इज़ अराउंड 28 किलोमीटर विच टेक्स 45 मिनट लग जाते हैं आने के लिए इधर।
So there are two ways here. This way goes to Bogmalo beach and this way goes to Holland beach. So we are going to take this road now and we will go to Bogmalo beach. So guys, when you arrive at Bogmalo beach, this is the entrance of the Bogmalo beach and this is where you get to park your bikes and cars. It is not so well planned or managed, so very limited parking space over here. So you can come to Bogmalo by bus, car, you can hire a taxi or you can use the Goa Miles app. As parking is very limited here, so I would suggest you come here by bike because it would be very easy for you to get parking here.
सो गाइस, अगर आप लोग बस से आने का प्लान कर रहे हो तो आपको दाबोलिम जंक्शन पे बस मिलेगी जो कि एग्जैक्टली बीच के ऑपोजिट आपको लाके ड्रॉप करेगी। इट विल टेक अराउंड 10 to 15 मिनट्स क्योंकि बस पे दे विल ड्रॉप पैसेंजर्स, दे विल पिक पैसेंजर्स, सो दे टेक अराउंड 20 to 25 रुपीज़।
So guys, on the way to Bogmalo, there is a naval aviation museum here which is around 30 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children, and it is a very good museum here where all the aircrafts of the navy are kept, so you can just try and go and explore it. It is just around 1 or 2 kilometers away from Bogmalo, so you can check that out if you are coming to Bogmalo because it is close by to here and it's another tourist attraction out here. Right on the beach you can see this Bogmalo beach resort. This is one of the first 5-star resorts in Goa. Goa is open for tourism and there is no COVID test required and no quarantine required in Goa. International flights are not yet operating, but Goa is one of the best tourist spots in India, so you can explore this lovely destination.
तो गाइस, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो बीच ज़्यादा क्राउडेड नहीं है, लिमिटेड टूरिस्ट है और यहाँ पर थोड़ी लोगों को मैंने देखी जो कि मास्क के साथ है और थोड़ी लोगों को ऐसा देखकर लग भी नहीं रहा था कि कोविड सिचुएशन भी चल रहा है। सो अच्छा लगा देख के कि ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं और ये बीच बहुत ही क्लीन है। मुझे अभी तक एक बॉटल भी नहीं मिली प्लास्टिक की। ओहो, चल बाय।
Dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search a meaning. Every cloud has silver light.
The left side of the beach is very calm. You can see the rocks around here. The sun is going to set, so looks quite beautiful out here. And around that far end side you can see all the restaurants over there. That is the Joyt restaurant and the other restaurants are here, John Seagulls and Sarita's. And like I showed you before, this is the Bogmalo beach resort. So it's quite a small beach, not quite a big beach. So that is the end part of this beach and starts from out right there. And now you can see the lovely sunset that is setting down out there. Amazing, amazing. So this is the crowd that you can see here in Bogmalo beach after lockdown. And the sun is almost setting down. Oh, and the sun is gone. This beach is also visited by locals out here. So on a Sunday or on a weekend, people from around Vasco and Dabolim area or Bogmalo area like to visit this place and just have a nice quiet evening out here. So you can see the sun has already set over there and it's a lovely climate out here. Temperatures are quite cool. It's it's winter now in Goa, so it's amazing coming during this time in November and December, because the climate is really nice here. The summers are quite harsh and very warm and very humid because of the sea. So the best time to come to Goa would be during these months in November to March, because the climate is quite cool. As you can see, the Goa airport is just close by to the Dabolim airport, so you can see that lovely plane flying out there. I'd set my GoPro for a nice time lapse of the sunset, and I hope it has turned out well. So let's see.
Something in my mind is within a minute and ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
So at Bogmalo there are quite a few very good restaurants here. One is the Joyettes, which is right at the beach over there. Particularly my favorite at Bogmalo is just around 1 kilometer away from here, walking distance, is the Cloudy's seafood restaurant, and you get a lot of good delicacies over there. And my favorite over there is the cheese garlic naan. Sadia will tell you about the cheese garlic naan.
Guys, cheese garlic naan is so tasty. Like वो जो चीज़ स्टफिंग जितना रहता है ना, माय गॉड, वो इतना फ्लफ़ी एंड सॉफ्ट रहता है. यू मस्ट ट्राई. और अगर आप वहाँ जा रहे हो तो प्लीज़ चिकन क्रिस्पी और फ्रूट सलाद विद आइसक्रीम ये भी ट्राई करें. देन यू ऑल कैन कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि टेस्ट कैसा था.
It is one of the most reasonable priced restaurants over there. Right now the menu is not available because of COVID situation. So that is all from today's video from Bogmalo Beach. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and please share our videos with any of your friends so that they can find our information very useful. So see you, bye bye, take care, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में at a new place. Bye bye.